pretty bad. I mean, these scrappers have really torn this place up from the back to the front of this building here. Joining me right now is Antonio Sims. He's with Quality Behavioral Health. They actually own a substance treatment facility up the road here. This is their storage facility that was hit by scrappers. And Antonio, tell me, what did you guys find last night? And I can't imagine what went through your mind when you saw what had happened.
Well, when we came down and realized that everything was torn apart, and the ceiling, everything, the copper, invested a lot of time, and we were devastated to know exactly what we saw. And you couldn't see in the dark as much because all the lighting's gone.
And we're talking about scrappers that have done so much as to not only take some rooftop heating and cooling units that you folks were about to install on top of this, but also they've taken steel doors off of this building.
Yeah, at least 6 metal steel doors that we had to secure the property is all gone, some appliances, and a lot of the equipment we had, lawnmowers and of that nature, the things we have there to help us with the facility up the street also.
And just real quick, I want to bring in Melissa Maxwell, the clinical director of the facility. Let me ask you, how much has this really set you back?
I mean, they've probably done $100,000 worth of damage just, I mean, to the building and to the things that we use, and that's supplies that we use to help the community, and it's really going to set us back, but we don't want to get down. You know, we still have to provide the services and make sure that we're helping the community.
The good work still goes on.
Definitely.
Okay, well, we'll stand by here. Just I want to talk to you folks a little bit more. But again, yeah, this facility here on East Grand Boulevard just hit by scrappers, and it's really so unfortunate. It's just more of criminals picking the city of Detroit apart. Reporting live on the city's east side, Kimberly Craig, 7 Action News. Back to you.